Vice President Hamid Ansari emphasizes on corporate social responsibility as a bridge between growth and equality. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis reviews Coast Guard preparedness, assures to beef up coastal security. And Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray says no conflict between BJP and Sena, launches Shiv Arogya telemedicine service for patients in remote areas. Thank you, Rukma. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. And now let's see the news in detail. Vice President Hamid Ansari today said that despite achieving remarkable place in the world in business and economy, there are many things yet to be done. He said that empirical evidence shows that growth without equity is not sustainable in the long run. Speaking on the corporate social responsibility, he said that there is a greater potential for CSR efforts from the business community. However, he added that it has a greater chance of success through voluntary commitments by all able enterprises in private or public sector. He was addressing a day-long symposium hosted by Indian Merchants Chambers. Governor C. Vidyasagar Rao, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis were also present on the occasion.
CSR is thus understood as being the way through which a company achieves a balance of economic, environmental, and social imperatives, sometimes called the triple bottom line approach, while at the same time addressing the expectations of shareholders and other stakeholders.
Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis underlined that poverty eradication, health and most importantly distribution of wealth creates equality of opportunity, emphasizing that Make in India is nothing but to achieve a target to create wealth and value. In the same spirit, the state government has launched Make in Maharashtra. He also said that government will reform labour laws.
In Maharashtra as well, we have started our initiative towards Make in Maharashtra, and our focus is ease in doing business.
And Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis took a review of the Coast Guard security today at Girgaon Chowpatty to Vashi. He assured that shortcomings and loopholes will be addressed and maximum priority will be given to beefing up coastal security. He expressed the need to strengthen the marine security to check the illegal trafficking of goods through marine route and to control the infiltration of coastal security by terrorists. On the occasion of World Wetland Day, Fadnavis also visited Airoli Mangrove. And amid reports of rift between the ruling parties in Maharashtra, Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray today said that there are no differences with the Bharatiya Janata Party as both the parties working towards fulfilling their electoral promises. Thackeray was addressing a gathering after inaugurating Shiv Arogya telemedicine service for patients in remote areas of the state. Under this service, patients in remote areas will have to access latest medical technology and will get assistance from the noted doctors through the telemedicine services. Praising Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Uddhav Thackeray said that Fadnavis is supportive towards the initiative and he has assured to extend all help and cooperation from his end.
ग्रामीण भागामध्ये अनेक रुग्ण असे आहेत की ज्यांना एक सेकंड ओपिनियन आपण म्हणतो, तज्ञांचा सल्ला, त्या सल्ल्याची आवश्यकता लागते, परंतु परिस्थितीमुळे ते रुग्ण तज्ञांपर्यंत पोहोचू शकत नाहीत. इथले डॉक्टर गावापर्यंत पोहोचू शकत नाहीत. आपण बोलायला सोपं आहे, डॉक्टरना म्हणावं चला गावाकडे जाऊन बघा काय परिस्थिती आहे. गावाकडे परिस्थिती फार वाईट आहे आणि मग म्हणून हे असं सोडून द्यायचं का? तर त्या रुग्णांना ज्यांना दुसऱ्या सल्ल्याची आवश्यकता आहे, तज्ञांच्या सल्ल्याची आवश्यकता आहे, अशा रुग्णांसाठी ही सेवा मला असं वाटतं एक संजीवनी ठरेल.
And the 35th National Games in Kerala was struck by tragedy today as a teenage netball player Mayuresh Pawar of Maharashtra died of cardiac arrest. The 21-year-old who took part in the match against Chandigarh at the Agriculture College Indoor Stadium complained of chest pain after the game and was reportedly given the first aid. However, the condition worsened and he was soon taken to a nearby city hospital but could not be reviewed and pronounced dead. The body will be handed over to the family after post-mortem. And Nationalist Congress Party today stated that the bus fare hike by the Mumbai Electrical Supply and Transport BEST in Mumbai was unjustified and demanded its immediate rollback. Likewise, the NCP Women's Wing today went on a protest at the CST bus stop against the hike. The steep bus fare hike came into effect from yesterday. Starting April 1st, these fares will be hiked further by 1 rupees to 2 rupees. Following these hikes, BEST is expected to generate around 125 to 150 crore rupees annually. The protesters argued that despite the reduction in the international crude oil prices, the need for bus fare hike was unjustified. They also added that the fare hike will have an adverse impact on the travel budget of the citizens, and hence the government should look into this matter immediately or else to be ready for the public anger. And Pulgaon, a small village in Jalgaon district of Maharashtra, has set an example for other villages of the country through its initiative towards social equality and adoption of cleanliness philosophy. Let's have a look. Pulgaon, a small village in Bhusawal Taluka of Jalgaon district, has emerged as a model for other villages in the country. The village, with a population of 4,000, is gaining popularity due to its various developmental initiatives. Under the leadership of Sarpanch Lalita Mahajan, the village is actively adopting cleanliness philosophy, working for betterment in standard of living of Dalit, increasing the involvement in the government programs and creating healthy environment for them. Under Harit Kranti initiative, villagers are made to plant at least 2 tree saplings in front of their houses. Moreover, a subsidy of 12,000 is been given to build sanitation facilities. In line with the Prime Minister's Swachhata Abhiyan, a cleanliness drive is organized by the villagers every Sunday.
सर्व गावातील समाज बांधवांना एकत्रित करून आम्ही पूर्ण परिसराची स्वच्छता केली. सोयी सुविधांमध्ये रस्ते काँक्रिटीकरण, गटारी यासोबतच पूर्ण स्वच्छता या परिसरातील लोक जे आहे स्वतः करतात. परिपूर्ण लोक जे आहे शौचालयाचा वापर करतात. पाण्याचं पिण्याचं पाणी जे आहे याचा योग्य तो वापर करतात. सोबत स्वच्छता अभियान आणि अनेक अभियान आम्ही चांगल्या प्रकारचे राबवलेत.
Applauding the initiative, the state government Social Justice and Special Assistant Department has awarded with the Shahu Phule Ambedkar Award. The award was distributed by Water Resource Minister Girish Mahajan on Republic Day in Nashik. The initiative has set an inspiring example for other villages in the country to emulate. Bureau Report, DD News, Mumbai. And that's all we had in this year's The Metro Scan, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with some latest update. Till then, goodbye.